Hi, my name is Catherine Reaper. I am doing an analysis on a short film about gun control. I've titled this Guns versus No Guns. The video was about a man who is running to save his friend who is in danger. Once he gets to the warehouse, he sees his friend laying dead with a gunshot wound. He looks around and he notices that there's a sign on a far off wall stating that no guns are allowed. He decides that the gunman must not have seen it, so he moves the sign to the front of the building outside by the door. So, an idea to protect yourself from guns would be to make a sign visible before entering a building. That way the gunman knows, hey, don't bring your gun in here. So he sets back time, and when he comes back, his idea did not work. His friend is still dead. So he runs downstairs looking for an alternative to his no gun sign. He sees graffiti on the wall and sees the spray paint laying on the floor. So he grabs it up and he runs outside and makes a huge no gun zone sign out of spray paint on the outside wall. Then idea number two would be try making a no gun sign in a different way. He sets back time and comes back, and again his friend is still dead. Clearly, the gunman just didn't see the sign. I guess that's just an innocent mistake. So this man litters the warehouse with no gun signs. They're on the wall, the floor, post, everywhere. So idea number three, make sure the gunman can see the no gun sign. Because if he can see a no gun sign, then obviously he's not going to use his gun. He sets back time, and when he comes back, his friend, of course, is still dead. He seems pretty distraught and unclear on what to do next. He pulls out his loaded weapon and sets the gun down beside his girl, friend or whatever. And when he sets back time and comes back, he finds her alive, and she has just shot her attacker, who is now dead. So I think the point of this short film is just saying guns protect against guns. Idea number four, carry a gun to protect yourself. Thomas Jefferson said, the laws that forbid the carrying of arms disarm only those who are neither inclined nor determined to commit crimes. And I say if guns were outlawed, only outlaws would have guns. Here's the website that you can go to watch this video. It's a really good video. I hope everybody takes the time to watch it. Thank you for watching my presentation.